Hey guys, our decline here, average picker. So find a lock, pick a lock, right? Um, Found this 6-pin stashed away in a shoebox, and I'd kind of forgotten about it. I'm pretty sure it was probably from the Sammy collection of locks that she had procured for me a while back. It was in kind of a office, commercial housing. And probably what happened was I just didn't feel like trying to disassemble it at the time, and I threw it in a shoebox and forgot about it. So I was doing some cleaning and found it and thought, let's give it a little pick, get it open, and I guess we'll use it for a challenge lock. You know what though, I gotta tell you, it's quite strange picking a normal lock for doing all those challenge locks. Yeah, but there we go. It's an odd thing, like you get used to all that feedback from challenge locks tend to give from all those serrations and stuff. So we're not going to find anything. Let's make sure I remember not to relock this. We're not going to find anything surprising at all in this. I think, we're just probably looking at, it just flipped on me. I think we're just looking at, a few spools. Probably, and that's about it. Do I have my pinning tweezers here? Yes, I do. Gotta use the official pinning tweezers. Don't use them. Where's a follower at? See, I was really prepared for this video, right? I almost dumped everything. Let's see. Does that come out? Got a little tiny ball bearing. I think that's just a little anti-drill pin. So there's our core. Standard. 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 Not surprised in the least. So a couple of the pins are green, which tells us they are not factory. These are, so some kind of repinning job has been done on this. So we may find, it's probably master keyed, so we may find a few wafers in here. Spool. 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 Standard. 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 Oh, no, wait. What? Oh, no. It's a well-worn standard. The way it came out had a little bit of a reflection on it. It almost looked like something a little unique. But it's not. And, of course, 6 springs. Something's still banging around in there. Is that just a little ball bearing being loose? Got one in the other side too. Huh, so I'm surprised there's no wafers. I was expecting wafers. I'll flip the camera around here real quick. We'll see what we got. All right, so there we go. Of course, nothing going on in the core and nothing going on up there. Oh, wait a second. Is there actually something? No, it almost looked like little, I don't know if you can see that. Almost looked like there might be a light serration going on. I've been pretty surprised. But yeah, no, just a standard little lock. 3 spools in chambers 1, 2, and 3. And everything else was standard, but we can see this has obviously come out of a pinning kit. So at some point, something was done on the lock. Got a couple little ball bearings in here. I guess they're ball bearings. They don't really move. But it does kind of make a jiggle. Let's make sure we don't have a wafer or anything floating around in there, right? Nope. So there we go. Random lock. Find a lock, pick a lock. All right, guys. See you later.